Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Study Plaza. Today I discuss the most important topic. That topic is the gene regulation. Gene regulation is a topic of zoology. zoology साइंस का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, शायद एंट्रेंस रेलवे ग्रुप डी, आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर हो, दिस वीडियो बहुत ही यूजफुल होने वाले हैं. आपसे ध्यान से वीडियो को वॉच करें और लास्ट में मुझे कमेंट में बताइए आप कितना स्कोर किया 20 क्वेश्चन से. टुडे टॉपिक इज द जीन रेगुलेशन. एट फर्स्ट I told that general concept of the gene regulation. What is the gene regulation? Gene regulation is a wide range of the mechanisms that are used to cell increase or decrease the production of the specific gene product. Today first question, gene regulation is prokaryote was discovered by, in prokaryote gene regulation discovered by Jacob and Monon. Option C is the right answer. And others related question in this question, in 1961 proposed the Jacob and Monon and Nobel Prize in 1965. Next question, in equalized cell according to operant theory, an operator gene combined with operator gene is a compound of the operant system. Operant system is a inducible system. Operator combined with the repressor protein to switch off structural gene transcription. Option B is the right answer. Next question, a coordinate unit which control a gene expression is known as a operon. Option C is the right answer. Next question, a repressor in case of lag operon will bind to absence of lactose 2. Operator. Option B is the right answer. Next question, a gene that specific the amino acid sequence of a polypeptide chain termed as a structural gene. In the lag operon, structural gene contain 3 structural genes, Z, Y and A. Option A is the right answer. And next question, in lag operon system, lag I code for the inhibitor or repressor. Option B is the right answer. Next question, an environmental agent which triggers transcription for any operand is a inducer. In the operand system, inducer as a inducer is a lactose. Operand is a inducible system. Next question, in the lag operand example as a inducible system. Option C is the right answer. And next question, one gene one enzyme hypothesis state that one gene and one enzyme, scientists Badal and Tuman working in neurospora, according to this theory, state that one gene in a specific control production of a specific enzyme. So option A is the right answer. Next question, length of the mRNA that carry the information the complete polypeptide sequence that is called a codon. Codon is a diploid nucleotide sequence that are carry the messenger RNA. So option B is the right answer. Next question, operand concept was given by Jacob and Monon in 1961 and a Nobel Prize in 1965. Next question, which organism was used the Badal and Tuman proposed the one enzyme one gene one enzyme in hypothesis the neurospora. Option D is the right answer. Next question, all eukaryotic genes contain Two kinds of base sequence. Which of these play important role in protein synthesis? Protein synthesis in eukaryotic exon and intron both are present. So option C is the right answer. But intron are only present in eukaryotic but not present in prokaryotic. Option C is the right answer. And next question. A gene of the operon which synthesizes a repressor protein is repressor protein synthesized by a regulatory gene. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Which one of the following is not the compound of the lag operon model? Lag operon model contains the operator gene, promoter gene, regulator gene and structure gene. Structure gene including three: lag Z, lag Y and lag A. Lag Z produce the beta galactoside, lag Y produce the permease and lag A transfer acetylase. In this question, the primer gene not present in the operon model, the option C is the right answer. Next question. The sequence of the structural gene in operon system concept. Operon model structure gene contain three types of structural gene. First lag Z and second lag Y and last and third lag A. So option D is the right answer. Three structural genes produce the individual enzyme. Option D is the right answer. Next question. The sequence of the gene in lag operon in E. coli. E. coli means prokaryote. At first promoter and the operator and then structural. The option A is the right answer. Next question. Co-repressor bind with aporepressor. Option C is the right answer. And next question. In the operon concept, regulatory gene function as a repressor. Option B is the right answer. And next question. In the negative operon, co-repressor bind with the repressor. Option A is the right answer. And ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. दिस वीडियो का अच्छे से वॉच करें एंड लास्ट मुझे कमेंट करके मुझे बताना आप कितना स्कोर किए 20 क्वेश्चन में.